Out here in the woods of Gardner, eh? It's quite icy right there. And I've got Mrs. Zewim. She's back there. Well, there she's hiding. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Are you back there, buddy? Oh, nothing like being out in the woods. Get some fresh air. Even if it isn't a great hiking day. Good to get out. Just be real careful. Real careful. I think it's going to be, yeah, there's a cut-off path. Ooh. Yeah. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be my, could you be my, won't you be my neighbor? Something like that. Woo!